Chesterton is a lovely suburb of Cambridge. It's only a stone's throw away from the river. There's some lovely shops around and there's a real village feel to it. And with it comes that community. My name is Pierre with Art of Clean, and today we're working here at St. George's Church. Over the years we've served them with soft furnishing care and floor care. We've been asked to come in because there was a bit of trouble on the floor, some loose blocks that we have to secure to reduce the trip hazard and also restore that beautiful look of that lovely pitch point floor. So this project needed a little bit of thinking outside the box, because here's the thing, the budget was tight and we really wanted to try and give them something that can give them pride in their floors again. Now Pelman is very involved with communities and help where they can. And we also reached out to Terry Guilford of Ultimate Floor Care, who supplies these Pelman products. And together we got the products for the project and we supplied the labor here so that we can pull this project off totally free of charge for the church. That is our way of giving back to our local community. Because see, the thing is, without our local community, without our people, we're nobody. And that's what Art of Clean stands for.
Hi, my name's Terry Guilford and I am from a company called Ultimate Floor Care UK Limited. We are the UK distributors for a brand called Pelman, which make high-end floor finishing products. And we're here in Cambridge today to support a community project with our local users of the Pelman brand called Art of Clean. So we're very happy to be here. We're supporting them with supply of product for this wonderful project they've got going on here.
Here at St. George's we're really keen to commend Art of Clean. They've done such a lot for us over the years and always do excellent work. So I recommend them every time, and they've given back a lot to us this year during the pandemic. Obviously loss of income means that we can now use our hall again for lots of users as we come out of lockdown. So thank you so much.